tutorial video on how we can develop project just like this. So quickly, now for you to get this kind of project done, you need to have a hosting and a domain. So I highly recommend you using Namecheap. Are we getting it? So you can watch how you can purchase hosting and domain on Namecheap. You can watch a lot of things. So just ensure you know how to get. So right now, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to sign in into my account. I'm going to sign in into my account. Then I'll check my mail. Let me get my verification code. Okay. So signing in. So this is my dashboard in Namecheap. Are you getting it? So what I'm going to do straight here, I'm going to click on my hosting list so that I can get to my cPanel and be in my cPanel so that we can watch how we can get this project done. So I'm going to click on go to cPanel. So I'm logging in. So as I said, ensure you subscribe to this channel to show your support and your help. Okay. Here in our cPanel, so what the folder that we're using, which is subdomain, is trading at pngsmedia.com. So what I'm gonna do here, so let me quickly view my trash. Let me ensure I have that file around. Okay, I have it. So going back to trading, so I'm going to do right here, I'm going to select everything here. I'm going to delete everything so that we can start from the fresh. So are you ready? So let's get started. So I'll click on delete. I'm deleting everything permanently, and I'll click on confirm. So that's mean in this case this one no longer exists. I'm going to cancel that out. So since here is empty, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to upload a script file. So how can you get this script file? My number is on my channel. You just get my number and text me on WhatsApp and you will get this file. And ensure you do that so that as you are watching this tutorial video, you can follow along. If you don't have the script file, you can't follow along, you only just watch. So for you to also practicalize the productional aspect or the developmental aspect, you need to get this script from me. And once you get this script from me, you're going to follow my step-by-step tutorial moves. So is that understood? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on select file. So what file do I want? Okay. Hopefully I know where this file is located right now. Okay, this is it. Uploading. So for me, what I'm going to do now, you can see, is 89 megabyte. That's approximately 100. I already have it in my trash in my cPanel. So I'm going to click on cancel right here. For you, you are going to let it upload till it becomes green. When it is uploading, it is blue. When it is successfully uploaded, it becomes green. Then when it's green, then you click on go back to your directory. So as I said, for me, I already have it in my trash, in my cPanel, which is this. I seen it. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to what, move it to this place here. Are you getting it? I'm just going to move it. I already have it. I don't need to be downloading, uploading. MB, megabyte is going. You understand? Yeah. So I'm going to do right here now, I'm going to extract this file. So our file is extracting. So just give it time. Okay, successfully extracted. Then click on close. So from here, I cannot delete this. For you, you might want to delete it permanently, but I might still be needing it, so I'll still leave it in my trash. I'll delete it temporarily. Then I'll double tap on this to open. You don't double tap on where the text are, if not you start rewriting the name. So either you double tap, if you want to open it, you'll be at this section or at this section. Is that taking, you don't be on here to double tap. If I double tap here, you see it will assume I want to change the text of the folder. So you double tap at either this side or you double tap at this side where you won't encounter or touch the text. So what I'm going to do right here, since I've extracted this successfully, let me see. Okay, I'm going to open this file once more again. So I'm going to select all, then I'll click on move. So I'm moving this out of that folder, then I click on move file. So since this file has been moved successfully, so what I'm going to do right now, this folder I can just delete it. Since it's not making any sense being there, I'll just delete it permanently because it is empty. So it's as useless as. So what you're going to do from here now, look at this file, you just double tap it. If you double tap it, it will download, because we will be needing this file. See, I've done it about 4 times. If this is 4 times plus the time it is 0 in index, so making it 5 times. So right now, you know, once you've downloaded this one, that is what we'll be uploading in our PHP My Admin as the SQL. And you all know what SQL is, means structured query language. So now that our SQL file has been downloaded successfully, so what we want to do right now is to configure our database. Yes, you heard that right. We want to configure our database. So I'll click on database. I'll click on connect.php, then I'll right click and I'll click on edit. Then I'll click on edit again. So we'll wait for it to load up. So right now, yeah, our database file has loaded up successful. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to create a database. So head back to your cPanel, main home page. Then you go to database section, then you click on my SQL database wizard. Then we start creating a database. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we just call this, so this is Thursday, right? We just call it Thursday. Anything you can name your database with does not mean that you name it particularly. It's not going to have a unique or a specific name. You can name your database whatsoever name you want so that you can remember it easily. So I ensure my database name and the username is the same thing, so that anyone I copy for anywhere, it will work perfectly. So it's just a common logic. So if you want to create a database name different, username different, in case you don't understand, like here, some people don't know what this place is for, but this place is for the username, this place is for the password, and this place for the database name. But some people might not know which and which is this. So the purpose why I create my database username and my database name the same thing. So in case I put the username here or the database name here, or I put the username here, both will work. Yes. So going back to my database, so I'm going to create my password. So then I'll click on create user. So what I'm going to do here, I'll just double tap on this and copy only just once. I don't need to be copying all these credentials, throwing it in my notepad and copying from there, pasting from there, those kind of things. So look at what I'll just do now. So once I just double tap on here, I paste this. I go here, double tap on here also, I paste this, then I go to the password. I just enter my password. Simple. So from here I'll click on save changes. So I've made the changes, I have updated my database successfully. So next I'm going to do now, I'll go straight right to my PHP my admin so that I can upload my structured query language. Yeah, so I'll move to my database, then I'll click on PHP my admin. So it's loading up. You just gotta be patient. While it's loading up, you can get a bottle of beer and ensure you are in numeric mode because this is a wow. Yes. A lot of people have been asking, hey bro, I need a project on forex trading. I need a project. So right now, so let's get right on it. Okay, you're just going to be patient, allow it to load. When it is loaded, you'll be able to move swiftly. But if it's not successfully loaded up, you might be having a lot of seizures and kind of CZ. So right now I feel my database, this PHP admin is loaded up. So the database we created for this project is what? Thursday. So I'm going to click on the database having Thursday as its name. So as you can see, it's a new database, so everything here is empty. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to import our structured query language, and it's in our download file. Yes, it is in our download file because that is where we downloaded it to. So you come right here and you click on browse file. So here is the file. So this is the file. In your own case, just locate where you have it. For my own case, this is where I have it. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to come down here and click on go. So be patient for it to load up. You don't rush, you don't refresh, you don't restart. Just ensure it load up successfully so that the propagation will be 100%. So while it's loading, let's just have some little patience. What has been successful? Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. So you can still be patient for you to confirm its SS or its exercise. Okay, import has been successfully finished. 52 query executed at that SQL file. So for here, fully convinced that our database has successfully been configured. So we are connected. So next thing we're going to do right now, we're going to browse our site and see if it works or not. So let's maybe go back to our site and let's training at pngsmedia.com. So let's browse it out and see. Click there so that we can start from afresh. So wow, our site has loaded up successfully. So once it has loaded successfully, right, we log in as an admin so that we can set up some primary functions, so that we can set up some little things that will make our site to be up, live, ready and good to go. So I'll click on login now because I want to log in as an admin. So this image is too big and it has cut the windows, it has cut out this window. You can see there are some words that are cut out from here, as you can see that, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to change this image. Possibly this is the cause of the error. We're going to change it. So the change on this image, you ensure your mouse cursor is on the image, then you right click on your mouse, then you're going to click on open image in new tab. Then once we've done that, we're going to click on it and see the directory of that image. So as you can see, it showed 404 error not found. So this resources is not even found. Possibly it has been deleted initially, but we are going to fix that up right now. So let's read the directory of this logo image. So it is on our main subdomain, then it's inside images folder, then this is the name of the file. So what you're going to do right now, you're just going to copy the name of the file. You're going to copy this name of the file, you're going to copy it, then you go to where you want to create a logo. So for me, I use Jetta logo designer. Sorry for that. I'm cooking in the house, so the house is kind of stuffy. So I'm just going to click here. Let's look for something that looks like trading. Let's look at this one. This one looks nice. Let's just quickly glance through. Let's glance through. Okay, let's look at this one. This also looks like something like trading. Let's do something like trading. You know, this is a pyramid. You stake up things. You stake to make more. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to make this PNG. Then this one should be trading. Let's say platform. So trading platform. Then we're going to increase the scale of this. It should be a little bit bigger. Yes, PNG's trading platform. Yes, it looks awesome this way. So we're just going to, okay, it seems to be this longer than all of them. Okay, we good. Okay, so this looks nice. So I just want to make this color to look orange as the one above. Yes, so this one we want to make it kind of fancy. Let's see, so let's make kind of fancy. Let's check out another one. Let's give it fancy. Let's give it purple. It looks out. Okay, this one looks nice. So once you're here, you're just going to click on background to make it transparent. Yes, then we're going to select all, then we'll click on scale. We want to make it portable. Yes, this one I don't like this. Okay, so let's change this. Design looking awkward. Yes, this one looking nice. Okay, so from here we're just going to click on save. So click on file, save image as. So let's just call it, then save. For you, you just want to paste that name of that logo. I already have something like that existing, so the same I want to overwrite. As you can see, it already exists. Do you want to replace it? Okay, let me just click on yes. I want to replace it. Yeah, I want to replace it. So now we've already created our logo. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to read the directory. So it's in under pngsmedia.com/images. So we go to our cpanel, then we go to our subdomain. In your case, if you are starting it for the first time, you will be operating in public_HTML, right? So everything I'm doing in trending.pngsmedia.com you'll be doing it in your public underscore html. Is that getting? For me, as you can see, I already have a site on that. So under our trading.pngsmedia.com, so we're going to look for the folder named images. So this is a folder. We're going to enter to the folder. Then this is where we'll just upload this because we're directly in this folder. So we're going to click on upload. We'll select the file. Then it's in our document because we saved it into our document, and this is the file. So we've uploaded the file successfully. So for we to confirm if truly this image is found, so let's just refresh this one. Let's take Control arrow to refresh. So wow, that means the file is in. So in our admin end, we just click on refresh, also refresh our admin. So let's see what's going to happen. Yes, so our logo is uploaded successful, and as you can see, it's flexibly just readjusted the menu bar, that is the top bar. You can call it the head. Just be patient for it to load up. So this is so awesome. So you can see this is a referral link. Actually, this for the admin. When you create an account, yours will be different from this. So I'm using hard refresh again. I want to refresh it very well. So let's log in the admin. So it is admin at gmail.com with this password. Yes, I'll click on login. So I'm logging in as the admin again. So yes, we are logged in now as an admin. So as you can see, let me just quickly just say some few things here. Now can you see this admin? It just looks exactly like the user's dashboard. Now what is the purpose of the admin having a user dashboard and also having an admin dashboard? Yes, the purpose is this: if a user is logged in and having this as its own dashboard interface, if the user is encountering any kind of problem or difficulties during having any difficulty, you can quickly just contact this. So if the user can take a screenshot of the entry and send it to the admin should be able to understand the solution to that problem. So with that, the admin need to have a user experience also, so that it can understand the experiences of the user too. So hopefully that explains why the admin is having a user's dashboard. So but in this case, this is not the admin dashboard, so we're going to click on admin dashboard right here. So it's going to switch us straight to the main admin dashboard. So as you can see, now we are now in the admin's dashboard. We are now in the admin dashboard. This is awesome. This is awesome. So the next thing we're going to do right here, we're going to go straight to the settings. Let us set up our website. So we want to set up our website. So we're going to start first thing, our website name. So in this case, I want to call it PNG's broker trading NFT and investment. Let's say platform, should we? All right, we should say that platform. Then our website email. So I've created these ones. You can quickly create an email. So to do that, you just move straight to your cPanel. Let me use this one. Yeah, then you go to where it says email, then you create an email account. So once you click on create email account or email account, you will see a button that says create new email. So let's wait for it to load up. Yes, it's loading up. So loading your emails account. As you can see, this blue button here that says create. So that is the button you're going to click on. So for me, I can't wait that much long. I'm going to click on create. So wait now. So you choose the domain that you want to create the email for. So for me, I want to create on PNG's media. Then what's the username? I can call it Thursday also. Should we call it Thursday? No, let's see something. Let's call it support. Hopefully I don't know if I've already created a support on this particular guy. So let's see the password. Since I've made, yes, I know I've made a small space for PNG. Okay, so that's what I'll be creating. Okay, so I guess we're good. So let's create this right now. Let's create it right away. So creating this, so call it support at pngsmedia.com. Created our email. So let's come here and copy that email. Are you getting it? So you just come here and copy that email. So this email right here, support, we're going to click on Ctrl C, then move to our dashboard, not this one rather. Then we're going to paste our email address here. Then the URL, what's the URL of our site? This is the URL of our site. So we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it right here. Yes, then we'll come to our admin. So let's copy this back again. Seems there's space here. Always ensure, yes, you see, always ensure there is no space at the starting of what you are doing so that you don't run into problem. So I'm going to copy this again and I'll put it here. I'll click here, I'll ensure there's no space at the front. Also there should be no space so that you don't have issues. So your Bitcoin address, now your own Bitcoin as an admin or as the owner of the site, you should have a Bitcoin address, you have Ethereum, you have a USDT. If you do not have, you need to go and create, because that is what the user will be paying money to. If you did not put the correct Bitcoin or any wallet address, they will just pay to an unknown account and you will just be responsible for a fraudulent. So you need to ensure that your user don't just pay money into a waste. So you're going to put all your details correctly. So for me, I have a wallet address. My wallet address is this. As you can see, I just typed anything. This is not my Bitcoin wallet address. In your case, you ensure you put yours correctly. Is that getting? So I'm also going to put mine right here. This is my Ethereum address, and for my USDT, I'm just going to put something right here also. And as I said, you are going to put your own. Don't go and type nonsense that me I'm typing you. Then this is the withdraw pin. So a withdraw pin. So this withdraw pin, this is the pin that every user in this your trading platform will be using to withdraw. Once they want to withdraw, they'll be needing this pin. So without this pin, they cannot withdraw. So this is where some other guys will want to create a billing from. Okay, for you to get your withdrawal pin, you need to contact the admin of the site, and the admin start saying is blah 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 in any way they want to do it. So in this case, to ensure that your site is looking professional, you are going to send this withdrawal pin, you're going to send it in a proper mailing way from the site, so that they will receive the withdrawal pin as like this thing is coming from the site. Not that you can send it from Gmail or you can send it from Yahoo. No, you will send it from your own site web mail, so that it will look more presentable and it will look respected. So next we're going to do your studio link. So what is studio? Studio is an online integrated plugin for chat. Yes, like a lot of sites now having customer care representative where you can chat to their online care representative instead of submitting a ticket or mailing their contact us. So you just create the integrated chat environment where you can actually chat with an online care representative. So what you're going to do, you're going to open studio.com, register with Studio, register as a developer. Then they will show you a place where you can copy developers script. Then you're going to copy your Studio link. In the developer script, you will see where your link is. Then you copy it. If you don't know how to get that, you can browse about it. But if you are still having difficulties, you can still just chat me on my WhatsApp, and I will ensure you get that right away. So for now, we do not have any Studio link. So your Bitcoin QR code, so your Bitcoin QR code, you just go to your wallet address, your QR code, you can screenshot it. Once you screenshot it, you crop it very nicely, then you come here, you save it to your file manager or your PC, then you browse it. So for me, let me assume this is my QR code. So I've already copied my QR code, I've cropped them, so I want to use them for my Bitcoin. Let me assume this is my Bitcoin QR code. For my Ethereum, let me assume this is my Ethereum QR code. Then for my USDT, let me also assume this is my USDT QR code. Then your website logo, so we created the logo, so let's quickly get that logo. So this is our logo, so you can just double tap on it, then you click on update. So right now we have configured our site, and our site is good to go. Yes, website settings updated successfully. So from here we are all good to go. Any other thing remaining has been done in the previous video. So ensure you watch the previous video so that you can watch out the functionalities and how everything goes in this project. So ensure you don't slide on this. Yes, if you slide, you have zuzu, and if you zuzu, you are the one losing. So next thing we're going to do here, let's just see some little things that we can do. So admin can suspend or activate any person's account. You can check account status, so you can send mail. Your KYC, they do KYC, this way you're going to approve their KYC, withdrawal history, deposit history, profit history, trade count. So this way you start profiting those that are trading. This way you can make profits, you can give your customers profit, approve deposit, package panel. This way you make your investment package, your approved package, your NFT collection, you create NFT, fund profit, that you can fund your users profit account, you can fund their main capital account, etc, etc. So here, let's switch back to the users dashboard. Then let's just log out. So as I said, so we're signing out. So okay, should we just do some few things? Let's touch the device was successfully configured. So let's create an account. So create an account, let us say our account. So this is one of our account holder, the username, email address, number, select a country, Nigeria, France, Nigeria. So the password, enter your own password, no, what your password is like, so click on agree and register. Let's see if our site was successful. The success registration was successful.